Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Mandela Highway and we are going to show you where the Portmore Access Ramp is going to be built. So this area that we're looking at is where the overpass will be built. So Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. It connects you when you leave in the city of Kingston to Portmore and Spanish Town on both highways. So the section of the road from Kingston to Portmore is 6 lanes, 3 on either side. And it is congested with traffic during peak hours. So the government, in an attempt to ease this traffic, is going to build a 4-lane access ramp into Portmore. And that's Mandela over there, and somewhere out here, you'll exit Mandela and go onto the ramp and go over into Portmore. It's going to be close to where the Aki village is in Portmore. So that will give you an idea. And there's a river, so they have to build a bridge. But it's a needed project. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. It hasn't started yet, but it's in the works. The construction of the Portmore Access Ramp connecting the Mandela Highway to Portmore in Jamaica represents a transformative infrastructural development for the island's transportation network. This project not only addresses long-standing traffic congestion issues but also signifies a step forward in modernizing Jamaica's roadways to support economic growth and urban expansion. Portmore, often referred to as the Sunshine City, is a bustling residential area and one of the largest urban centers in Jamaica. Many of its residents commute daily to Kingston and St. Andrew for work, resulting in heavy traffic along major arteries such as the Mandela Highway and the Portmore Toll Road. Historically, the lack of direct connectivity between the Mandela Highway and Portmore forced motorists to endure lengthy commutes, particularly during peak hours, exacerbating frustrations and reducing productivity. The Portmore Access Ramp was conceptualized as a strategic location to this challenge. By creating a seamless link between these two critical corridors, the ramp aims to reduce travel time, ease congestion, and improve overall road safety for the thousands of commuters who traverse this route daily. The access ramp is to be constructed under the oversight of the National Works Agency. It is part of a broader effort to upgrade Jamaica's transportation infrastructure. The ramp is designed to provide a direct, elevated pathway from the Mandela Highway into Portmore, bypassing traditional bottlenecks and ensuring a smoother traffic flow. The project incorporates modern engineering techniques to accommodate Jamaica's growing vehicular population and meet international road safety standards. Features such as durable road surfaces, adequate drainage systems, and clear signage ensure the ramp's longevity and usability when constructed. Additionally, efforts have been made to minimize environmental disruption during the construction period, aligning with global sustainable practices. The Portmore Access Ramp holds significant economic and social benefits. By reducing commute times, it will enhance the quality of life for Portmore residents, enabling them to spend less time in traffic and more time on productive activities. The ramp will also contribute to lower fuel consumption and vehicle maintenance costs, offering financial relief to motorists. Alright guys, so that is basically a summary of what they plan to do with the Portmore Access Ramp. So we will keep you guys updated on this development. And this is one of a few major or mega projects that they are going to do for the Mandela Highway area. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.